Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Chet, and thanks again for dropping by. In this video, we're going to look at some tools to master text in Adobe Indesign. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I post videos like this. Now, let's dig right into how you can master text in Adobe Indesign. Type is probably one of the most important medium to play with in layout design. Images are a big deal too, however, it's easy to put all of your stock in color and a font of an image when it's the creative text that can really make your design engaging. And you need to be aware of everything including font choice, typeface combinations, paragraph construction, type's relationship to the featured images, and white space. Fortunately for us, InDesign has come up with a toolbox of easy tricks to help us do so efficiently. So the first one is mastering the typeface menu. One of the best features in Adobe InDesign is the updated typeface menu, and it offers the ability to filter out the specific typefaces you're looking for, as well as to sample those typefaces in your document. To access the menu, click on the Type tool, which is this one, and then move your cursor up to the left corner, and make sure that the button with an A on it, this one over here, the top, it's called Character Formatting Controls. That one should be highlighted as opposed to the P or the inverted P over here, which is the paragraph formatting controls, and which we'll be discussing later on. I also have a tutorial on character and paragraph formatting. Link is in the description. Please check it out. So first thing is favorites. We all have our favorite typefaces that we love using project to project. InDesign allows you to star your favorite fonts on the type menu and pull them together. For example, if you click on this button here, it will show up all the starred fonts that you have. So these are my favorite fonts. And let's go back. So in order to do that, you just hover over a font, and then as you can see here, there's this star over here. For example, I want this. I can add it to my favorites and just click on that one, and it will show up on this favorite menu. And then the characteristics, you can also search for fonts with specific characteristics. For example, if you know you want your font to be bold, you can filter it by clicking on this funnel here and choosing from any of these filters. Same goes for italic, semi-bold, light, condensed, serif, or whatever other style you can think of. So if you want this one, just click on that, and every font with that type will show up. Now, an even more brilliant addition is the ability to see what your typeface possibilities look like in action without having to select one to preview it and going back and forth from the menu every single time. So in order to do that, all you have to do is highlight the text that you want to sample. For example, I want this to have different font, and then go to font here and just use the up and down arrows or your mouse to scroll through different typefaces. So either way works, and this won't actually select the font for you. So when you have settled on one, only then click on it to use in your document. So if I want this, I'll just click on that one, or if I want this, I'll just click on it, and this will change my font. The next is wrapping text around an object. So say, for example, we have this text over here, and we have another object, this cute little owl. And this time we're looking to move away from the text tool into working directly with the image. So click on the image that you want to work with, and the text wrap options are located up here, over here. So this is the icon for no text wrap, so text will be layered over and under the image like this one. And the next one would be wrap around bounding box. It will wrap the text around the image like this one. And this one over here, wrap around object shape, also called contour wrapping, and it wraps around the shape of the frame you've selected. So if you have an asymmetrical image on a white background, you can surround the image and not just a white square box around it. And the next one is jump object. It skips the object and anything to the right or left of it, like this one here. And also please check my tutorial on how to wrap text in InDesign. Link is in the description. I have a very detailed tutorial on that one. Next, we'll be creating columns. Columns are as easy as clicking a button. Navigate to the column button above, this one over here, and it's also on the text toolbar if you need it. Just enter the number for how many columns you want, or click on the up and down arrows. See here, if you want 3, then you get 3 columns over here, and just click on the up and down arrows, or just enter the number that you want. And right here in the box below, it is the gap spacing where you can adjust the spacing between columns. If you want it bigger, this is the gap column. This is the one that we're talking about. So if you want a smaller gap, then just use the down arrow, or if you want a bigger gap, do the up arrow. Okay, next is the link text boxes. InDesign has a fantastic feature that allows you to link text boxes, allowing you to flow a larger body of text between multiple boxes to allow for easy editing for a larger article on multiple pages, for example. So the text box here contains more text than there is room to display it. So as a result, there's this tiny little red cross in a box on the bottom right of the box. All you have to do is click on this box, and you will be copying, as you can see here, these are your extra text that you need to put in another text box. So we will be copying this undisplayed text so that we can paste it into another new text box or onto a previously created text box. So what we can do here after is just click anywhere and the text will automatically fill that box. Or we can also, and we have this text box over here, what we can also do is click on this and then just click on the other text box that we just created. And that's it. Okay, so the last one is creating a drop cap at the beginning of your text. A drop cap is when you see the first image or word drop down onto the body of the text in a larger size. And you can find the drop cap buttons in the paragraph formatting toolbar, which is this one here. And this is your drop cap icon. And this one over here allows you to decide how many lines high you want the drop cap to be. So if you put this, there should be 8 lines. This is your drop cap letter, and below that button you can also choose how many letters you want to highlight, from just the first letter to the word, or even more if you would like. So for example, if you want 2 letters or 3, yeah, that's it. That's how you create a drop cap. So let's just do 1. All right, and that's your drop cap. And there you have it. 5 easy tricks you can use to master text with any project in InDesign. May it be brochure or poster or magazine, ebooks or newspaper layout, the possibilities go as far as your imagination. What other tools have helped you with layout design? Share your pro tips in the comments and would love to read them all. And you might want to check out my InDesign tutorial playlist. I have loads of videos that are beginner friendly. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and inspiring. And if there's something that I missed or want me to cover, let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Keep watching and keep learning. I'll see you next time. Bye!